I don't know what day it is of Vlogmas, but we're back. I'm still in St. Louis visiting my family, but today we are going to do some luxury shopping, so I'm going to take you guys with me. We are going to a luxury consignment store. I've shopped here before, like the last times that I've been to St. Louis. I'll pop up a picture of, I bought some like really cute vintage boots the last time I was here. So, but they have bags and clothes and a bunch of stuff. So that's going to be today's video. I'm going to try some stuff on. They did have a pink Chanel flap. I saw it on Instagram and I inquired about it. So I know they do have that in here, which is on my luxury wish list. So hopefully that can be my Christmas gift, but we'll see. Let the shopping begin. Let's go. In the Vault Luxury Resale. The Vault Luxury Resale. So this is Laura. She owns the business. So I just want her to quickly give you a little snippet of all like the details on her business. So would love that.
So we have a 7,000 square foot showroom here in St. Louis. And we look at about 1,000 items a day in store every day. We cast a wide net of labels, everything from Chanel and Prada and Gucci to Eileen Fisher, Lululemon and Vince and Theory and everything. And we have 50,000 suppliers around the country and globe that we also, that send us things.
Gotcha. So you're not consignment.
So we are not a consignment. We are a buy outright only business. So we literally will pay you cash on the spot in your closet. We just got back from Park Avenue where we did 8 closets. Wow. And we left
good stuff.
we left some happy ladies.
So I'm gonna try some stuff on.
We'll love
clothes,
that.
Shoes, back, all that. And we'll see what we find. home from St. Louis, and I just showed you my shopping adventure. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you what I got in St. Louis at the Vault Luxury Resale store. So I'll leave all of their info, details, like everything you need below, but I shopped in that store before, I want to say like last year when I was in St. Louis, and I bought really cute cowboy boots. I think I showed them already, but I'll put a picture here if not. And I follow them on Instagram because I'm, you know, always trying to look for the goods. So they put something on sale, and like they said, like DM for price, and I was like, that is on my wish list. I DM'd. And they said, they gave me the price, and then they asked like how influencing works and like how they could work with me. So that was like the best of both worlds, because I get to shop and I get to share with you guys, because you know I love to share when you can get a deal. So I'm gonna unbox the actual item I DM'd them about originally, and then I'm gonna share some other items that I purchased while I was there. They did, for transparency, they did give me like a credit. They didn't pay me, but they gave me a credit towards some things, but I ended up spending $1,300 there. That's after the credit. So I did spend plenty of my own money shopping there. So let's get into the unboxing. Also, you may have noticed my hair is different. I will leave that info below as well. This is one of my good Instagram friends. She has great hair. I'm not gonna go into any like specifics. She has everything on her page, so I'll leave the info below. But yes, I am black. It is winter. Winter is here. I have on my black, my winter lip. This is Fenty Beauty PMS. So yeah, it's winter time. I was tired of the highlights. So let's get into what I got. First thing is what I'm wearing. This little t-shirt. You know, I love t-shirts in general. I love loungewear. This is Balmain, however you want to say it. And it just has little details here. And then it's just plain. That's pretty much it. Just says Balmain Paris. And this was, let me see, $100, maybe $120, something like that. And then the next thing I got was this super cute blazer, because they sell lots of clothes. So I went in there looking for clothes, and the other item I got. This is a blazer from Alice and Olivia. You would have seen me try this on already, so I'm not gonna do it again. But this is Alice and Olivia. It was $69, and it's just so kind of like festive. I feel like this is a great, like if you're going to like a party or something, but you know, I love blazers. It's not super oversized, but it is pretty boxy. So I really liked that. And then my favorite item in my favorite color is this little cardigan with the best shoulder pads ever. This is vintage St. John. It's in a size 14. You know, I get oversized. And look at that bling. Oh my God, it's details everywhere. Look at the zipper. Look at the zipper. When I saw it, I gasped. I was like, oh, I'll take it. And this was a little pricey. It was $189, but it's just stunning. Like right now, I probably wear this with like leather pants. And in the summertime, I'll wear this like open with some like cutoff shorts or like a slip dress and throw this over. Listen, I got big plans for her. So that is that. And then what we all came here for, I have a very special unboxing. This is on my luxury wish list. I talked about it in my last video. I put that below or somewhere, but I talked about how this was kind of, I think, the last bag on my 2019 luxury wish list. So here it is. So here is the bag. I got the little box, and let me hurry up. It is everything I hoped it would be. It came in a bag. This, let me just get it out and show you, and then I'll give you the details. So this is a Chanel medium flap in baby pink with silver hardware, and it's caviar leather. And this is my first caviar leather bag. I have a patent one, and then I think all of the other ones are lambskin, which is not as durable. Caviar is definitely most durable, but I like the suppleness of lambskin. But in this light color, I was happy to get a caviar so that it would be more durable. So this is her. She is a medium, and she's stunning. authenticity card is inside. Everything is inside that it came with. And I couldn't believe it. So yeah, I have been looking. This was like I think the last bag on my luxury wish list. And I wasn't in any particular rush to get it, because of course I wanted it at a good price. And when I DM'd them, this was selling for $3,500. And I believe they retail now. They just had a price increase, so I believe they retail for like $5,000 or $6,000. I'll put it on the screen. So yeah, so I was just keeping my eye out, and I wasn't in any particular rush. But when I saw it on their Instagram page, and it said DM for price, I DM'd, and it said $3,500, and I thought, ugh, that's kind of a lot, but also for this condition, it's not. I mean, on Fashion File, I believe this bag is still $4,000 or $4,500. So I knew that was a good deal, but I was just like, okay, still don't need it. And then of course, when they offered me the voucher, I knew I would still have to pay money on it, but also I was already going home to St. Louis so I could see it in person. And then they were telling me about other Chanel bags they had. So it was like, she put a bunch on hold for me so that I could try them on. I think you'll see a clip of me trying them on, but when I tried this one on, it was just like, there was no other bag. There was no other option. So this is her. Oh God, I know you're probably thinking this is my second pink bag, because I bought that Fendi bag, which was also on my wish list, but it wasn't on my wish list in pink, but that was just when I saw it, I couldn't resist. And pink is my favorite color besides black. I love pink, and I love that hot pink. As you can see, that's a color I have a lot of. But I also love this baby pastel pink, because I think this is just more of a neutral. Like that color pink and the like color of my Fendi is like a pop of color, like a bold pop of color when I want to add something to an outfit. But to me, this is more of a neutral. Like I'll wear this with gray. I would wear this with like camel. I would wear this with like any summery colors, but also just like any like good neutrals. This will be like a great addition. Oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. So yeah. Again, I will leave all of the details below for the Vault. I'm trying to make sure I say the name right. The Vault. Okay, I had to go get my iPad just to make sure I was saying it right. It's the Vault Luxury Resale on Instagram, so I'll link them below. And you don't have to be in St. Louis to buy from them. So if you see something you like, you can DM them, or you can just call them and you can place orders that way too. So they have really good deals. And what I love most is they have a lot of accessories, and they have a lot of clothes. Like they specialize, basically they shop people's closets. So like they go around the country, shop people's closets and pay them for like any goods they find. And it's like a family business. It's a mom and her 2 daughters, I believe. And yeah, it was such an amazing experience just shopping in there. Again, I shopped there before, and it was always like good service, and they were always really nice. And the store is just like, it feels like a luxury store, but with all the discounts. So I wanted to share that, and I wanted to welcome our new child into the family. Welcome home, say hello, this is your family. So yeah, that's it. I won't drag this out anymore. And sorry if the quality isn't as great. This is just on my phone again, because it is Vlogmas. So I'm trying to make sure I pump out all the videos, so I don't have my normal setup. But I do have a little something coming that will help with Vlogmas and just vlogging in general. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for a coat collection. Stay tuned for a few hauls from like birthday, Black Friday shopping. Lots coming. But as always, if you stuck around this long, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at HiLoLuxe. Read my blog, HiLoLuxe.com. And thanks for stopping by. See ya.